In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Valorant on Linux. So when you head over to playvalorant.com, you can see right here the download option. So you can proceed to download this game on your browser. However, even if you're able to download it, you won't be able to install it on your Linux operating system. So the workaround for this is downloading a virtual machine. I recommend you to use Oracle VirtualBox. You can do so by going to virtualbox.org, click on the disk download option, and you can head over and then use it to become a targeted laptop or desktop. So for this case, you can just download this particular VirtualBox and then launch it in order to serve as a Windows virtual machine that you can play on your Linux. Once you have it ready, just proceed to go over again to playvalorant.com and install it from there directly from the VirtualBox, and from there install and play Valorant using this method. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.